Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to do a makeup video or makeup vlog. So I'm going to do this face makeup. So basically what it is just like a normal like everyday look. In my video I did say that I am not a professional makeup artist or I'm not a pro at this, so I'm just doing or sharing what I do every day when I go to work or whatever I do, like if it's just like a regular day that I'm just running errands or whatsoever. So that's that. So if you guys want to see it, stay tuned. What's up everyone? So I already moisturized my face. Anyway, so I use this, I got this from my BoxyCharm from a while ago, but I use this green clean just to kind of like, I put it like on my under eye, and it's a makeup melt away cleansing balm, so you kind of just like leave it on there. It's also moisturizing, so I really like this one. So I use that to get like any makeup that's like underneath my eyes. So right now we're gonna go and prime my face. So I'm gonna do Cover FX. I need to get some more. It's a Cover FX blurring primer. So I'm gonna do that. And I usually, when I do my primer, I put it to where it's like, I don't know, like right here and like right here. So that was right there. Okay. I like this because it looks good like with my makeup. And so for today, I actually want to do a lot of like drugstore makeup that you could get like at CVS or Walmart or Target even. Let's see. So I don't know what's wrong, but because I've been like sleeping, I'm gonna use this Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. So this one is eye depuffing gel. I also got this on my BoxyCharm from a while back. So I'm gonna put, okay. I just put some like on top just so. Put some like mostly like down in the bottom. Okay, okay, so for my foundation, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal 24-hour foundation, the Pro Glow one, in the color Buff Beige. Okay, so the next one is we're going to put concealer. I actually have a Master Conceal, but I usually use this whenever I'm like going somewhere important because that one really is really good. And then I also have this Maybelline New York, did I do that right? In number 20 Sand Sable. So you just kind of like put it right there and then right here, down your nose, and then kind of like make like a V right there. So when you're putting concealer, you kind of like want to like do like that little V shape. Oh, is that too much? I hope it's not too much right here. It's okay. We're gonna blend it out. You know what I mean? So you kind of just blend it out like that. So now we're going to set the face. So we're going to set my face with powder, with loose powder, just so that you don't like see like any creases or anything. So just gonna put that like where I'll put my concealer. Okay, I'm not gonna let it set for a long time because I'm really not going for that heavy look. So meanwhile, we're gonna go do the brows, which it usually takes a very long time for me when I'm doing my eyebrows because it's just, I don't know, it doesn't cooperate. Yeah. So I got them done like before my birthday, or was it before my birthday or before the Chris Brown concert? So it's still kind of cool. So I'm gonna brush this off. This powder. Ugh. Okay. Then we're gonna do my eyebrows. We're just gonna, for my eyebrows, I actually just use, what do you call it? An eyeshadow. So for this one, we're going to use the Urban Decay Naked, and I'm gonna use the brown shade in there. I need to go to Sephora and get some more products because I'm running out. So I usually just do like the bottom, and I kind of just like shade, like go through it. Okay, I can't really see if I'm looking at my camera. So there's that. I'm probably gonna cut some of these videos because it's just gonna take too long. my nose, I'm going to use this crown brush. I'm just gonna do that. Because, you know, I don't got that pointy nose. Okay. So like I said, I am not a, I need to clean my brushes. I am not a pro. So whatever you see, let me see them. This is like an everyday look, like what we talked about. Like if I do like a full-blown like makeup, let me know. Let me know, sis, let me know. Cause I'll do that one for y'all, no problem. So I'm just gonna use my Pretty Vulgar palette. Like I said, it came from the BoxyCharm from the previous boxes from a long time ago. I actually don't have BoxyCharm anymore, but I'm planning on getting it back, so stay tuned. So okay, let's see here. So I'm using this color right here, this right here, and that is Hide and Seek. So I'm just gonna like put that all over my lid. I'm just gonna put that all over my lid because it's like a natural color and it like matches my skin tone. So I'm just gonna put that all over the lid. I'm not gonna go crazy with my eyeshadow. Like I said, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just doing this video. Do that, and on the other side. And also, you guys can also prime your eyelids so that your eye makeup will look good and it will look poppin', you know. Just gonna do that. It looked like I'm not wearing anything. So that's what it looked like right now. Then I really want something natural. That's what we're aiming for. That's what we're gonna do, you know? Natural. Natural. Not too bad, not too bad. And then I'm gonna go use the flip out right here just for like my lash line right here. So just so that my eyes will like pop a little bit. Let's see. Okay. Just that. You know, something quick, something simple. And then for my blush, I'm going to use a Laura Mercier blush in Blush and Brighten. Baked Blush and Brighten. Tropic Hues. I got new brushes as well. We're just gonna put that like right here. I'm not gonna go overboard. Okay. I'm trying to see what it looks like. Okay, sis. Do that. And then we're gonna do the highlight, but first, so I don't spray your face after you do your mascara or anything like that, because don't do that. Why do people do that? I'm running out. I gotta go to the store, like I said, and get some. Okay. And then I'm going to use Twilight from the Midnight palette, or yes, Midnight Pure palette that I have. It's a face palette. I'm gonna use that. So a lot of people use a fan brush, but I'm gonna use this brush right here. So I'm just gonna put it like right here. And then some of my nose. Ooh. The bridge of my nose. Sometimes I like to do this. I put like some right here. Put some right there. Here. Here we go. So I brightened my light just so y'all could see what it's doing to me. So we're not gonna do any crazy stuff. We're just going to do make her mild brush. Okay, and then I'm going to use my Unleashed mascara from Wonder Beauty. I'm going to... I don't have lashes, y'all. That's why I wear fake lashes, because ooh. Does it look natural? Does it look good? Oops. Ooh. Like, I'm trying to stroke you, like, get together. That's it for my look today. Did I miss anything? I don't think so. Yes. Let me do my hair and I'll be right back.